Guys, RC Jedi here. I'm gonna do an off-road run with the Blackzon Smyter. This is gonna be a full battery pack. I'm gonna run it on grass. So yeah, I'll get this thing going real quick. This thing does not want to tip over. So at some point in the near future, I might make this one brushless. But for now, it's not really a bad car. Like, it's got ball bearings throughout. Around the footy post. It's not doing too bad through the grass. I thought it's not too bouncy actually. Does not want to tip over because the track is very wide. So far this is basically stock the way it comes out of the box. I have not upgraded the shocks or anything. Some point in the near future I might probably, instead of making it brushless, so far I might not make this thing brushless yet, but I will in the near future. So far it's been very reliable. I did take this thing out to the skate park off camera. It's been a very good little truck, this one. So this thing only does probably 24 k's an hour, but it's not too slow. Ooh, takes it though. Takes it though. It's a good little car. Like, if you don't want to spend that much money on, say, like a well-known brand, I think these RCs have come a long way. So yeah, that's an off-road run. I did run it on the grass, as you see. This thing does not flip over. Like, I've been doing sharp turns on the grass. It's so far it's been a very good basher. Like, I did not have any problems with it. So yeah, I will do some more testing. I will take this to the skate park and I will film it on camera just to see how durable it is. Like, so far it's been very durable at the skate park. I took it once. I've also drove it on gravel, and so far it didn't do too bad. It's just the shocks that are bouncy. As you see, I'm gonna probably put some oil-filled shocks on this one. So yeah, what else, if you let me guys know, what else do you want me to do with this one? I might change the tires over. I might make this car brushless in the near future. But for now, I'm going to test it out in many environments. If you want to look at the unboxing or the first few runs on this one, I created a playlist for this car. I'm going to make this as one of the bashers, like a little basher that you can make one of the ultimate RC bashers for like under a certain price point. But so far I paid under 200 bucks. So yeah, this is the Blackzon Smyter. I will run it more, as I said. So far it's been a very good little car. Like, I will run it off-road a bit more, just to see how it goes, and I will give you another update video. And so yeah, this is the Blackzon Smyter. This is RC Jedi signing off. Make sure you like and subscribe so I can make more videos. Comment down below what I should do to this one. And so yeah, this is RC Jedi signing out.